Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anne Onyinye. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. Okay, in this video, as you've seen, is going to be like I don't know whether I should call it a recap, because this video that I'm about to play or you're about to watch, I actually did it when I was still serving. Okay, along the line I don't even know what happened to the video, and now it's here and I would like to show you people. Okay, but before then I have this tripod, like the one I'm currently using right now is spoiled. I bought it from a local beauty store, but right now I have a new one. Yeah, and this is it. Okay, so I ordered this from Jumia in 2022. I can't remember, I think it's around that kind November, December time, but it was ending of the month, ending of the year. Okay, so and I would like us to unbox it together. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, so sorry if you can't. Okay, so this is it. Let's unbox it together. And I can see something, there is something that they read here, that they wrote here. They said, please read instruction before you use. You know, this is Africa, we hardly read, so we just go ahead and open it. Okay. But I can actually see the instructions. It's written here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It's written how you can open it, how you can do this, like that. But I've been using a tripod, so let's open it and see what is inside. Wow, something fell. Okay, it's nothing else. Okay, I think I have this. Wow, I love this tripod. Who is filling this tripod with me? Wow. I think this is the adjusting part where you can place your phone. Let me see. You can just place your phone like this. Wow, I love it. You can just place your phone like this in a landscape and do your videos. And let me remove this. Yeah, I think this part is for the picture part. When you want to take a snap, you can just click on this and you are good to go. Yeah, let's see. Wow, this is the stand. Later I will still go through the instructions, but because I already have a tripod like this, so I don't think I need to. Well, I'll still go through it. This is Africa, we will just unbox without reading instructions. Okay, so okay, all right, this part, I don't know, it's not movable, but it should. Maybe later I have to read the instructions to see what's up. And I don't know, here I don't know if you can see this blue. Okay, yeah, this part is for the camera. If you want to take a selfie, you can actually press here and it will take a selfie. Okay, so that's by the way, guys. Just let me know in the comment section how you see this tripod. Okay, as I've said before, I got it from Jumia last year. So okay, that is it. Okay guys, so as I said before, as the spirit leads, the spirit actually led. Okay, so and I'll be doing a voiceover, and I will still be letting you guys to hear what I said. This is me, and I don't know how it's gonna be, but we'll try. Okay, so like that, so we're going for CDS, and this is my first time of vlogging. I don't know how it's gonna be. How are you there? I don't know how it's going to be, but I'll try. and see how it will be, you know. So now I'll be going for CDS, yeah, and I'll be showing you. This is a weekend vlog. Sorry, this is not weekend, this is Wednesday vlog. Okay, this is Wednesday vlog, so I'll try. I don't even know what I'm saying. So Keke, this Keke, they don't want to carry me, and I'm late already. This is, I think this is almost 9. All the Kekes I'm seeing there. So guys, for here I really stood for long. I was waiting for Keke. I don't know whether it's because I was holding the camera, I don't just know, but I really stood for long looking for Keke that is going to my destination, and I was waiting for the Keke. Guess what, guys? Just guess. I saw one of my colleagues. I saw him coming on his bicycle, going to the same area that I was going to, but unfortunately for me, he actually complained about. Guys, I saw one of my comments. You're going to NYC back. You carry me back. I still stood to it. You can carry.
I kept it for somebody.
You kept it for who?
For my children.
Why now? Why you like this? So I will enter like this, bar. No, I'm not changed. But though I'm trying to change.
Why? You have only how many months now?
I beg, I want to change. So like that though, see my comment. So
go with the basket.
You will carry me now.
I will enter again.
No, what will you enter again? You carry me.
Government property. This station will not carry 2 federal government properties.
It's a lie, so we enter.
Are you going to CDS?
Yes, I'm going for CDS.
Which CDS?
Financial inclusion.
Okay, so you people are making money there.
Which making money? Carry me there. It's late, carry.
Something.
See this guy, he doesn't want to carry me.
I'm a secretary in NEMA.
But it's zonal office, bro. Yeah, I'm going to. Carry me now, let's go. You know what, carry us?
Because 1 kg cannot carry 2 federal government properties.
It's not true, it's not true.
I either leave you the bicycle and go, or I should go.
No, carry me now.
Choose one now.
No.
Let me give you
we are late, so we are late.
I'm late now. That is why I say you should go.
Carry me with this your bicycle.
Let me give you my ID.
Let's go.
Come.
I should enter.
How can I carry you?
You can carry me now. You can't carry me.
No, this is not having problem.
You watch having problem?
See, well, yeah. There was a time I carried one boy. This thing break.
What broke?
This one.
This one? I'm not heavy now, so you cannot carry me.
First, you are federal government property. I want you to underline this one, federal government property.
Okay, fine. So you don't want to carry me with that?
Maybe when we meet there, I will give you so that.
So guys, I had to let him go, and finally I got a keke that took me to the place that I was going to. See, I don't know, this guy doesn't want to carry me, so I'll be looking for keke. Zonal office. Okay. Oh, good morning at last. See my neighbor. Where are you going to? See my neighbor. So at last, though, guys, I entered keke.
Tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right.
So guys, I got to the CDS venue. We finished having our meeting, And yes, we also did exco meeting and like that, you know. We did the necessary thing. As you can see, I was talking to my financial secretary. I was the assistant general secretary, so I had to do one or two things before leaving the CDS venue. And yes, so okay guys, like we just finished right now. Okay, this is my this is the place I used to stay, and I don't know, like I'm wasting time, wasting plenty times. And so right now we just finished, and my clearance form is inside my bag. I didn't even show you people, though I'm the financial secretary, so I was busy signing, doing things, you know. After the general meeting, you have to do another meeting again. So guys, so that's it though. So me right now, I will just enter KK, find somewhere to eat because I'm hungry. Like I'm very, very hungry. I'll just find a place to eat and know what's up. So guys, after the CDS, I was called back by my president. He said we had to go visit one or two ministries. Then from there, we'll go visit one of us that is sick. Okay, so that is it, guys. I'll be doing less of the voiceover note. Sorry, voiceover note. I'll be doing less of the voiceover right now. Okay, so guys, I would like you guys to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. That's the most important thing. Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like and share. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know how you see this video, whether you like it or not. I know you will like it. Okay, so just comment, like and share. Okay, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, to join this family. That was amazing. I love this one. I'm waiting for my president to come. So we'll see. And this is him, my colleague. Hello, President. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi. Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Sensitization Shaman. Say hi. So, like that, though, guys, I'll be going. We want to go and see my general secretary to see how she's doing. I don't know. When the heck? Where?
This ministry.
Ministry? Okay, I'll be going to ministry. Ministry of Finance. So guys, this is the entrance of the girl we are going to see. This is the entrance to her house. Yeah, like I so much love the environment. Like it just look natural, the mountains, trees, houses, so beautiful. So I decided to make a video and show you guys. As you can see the mountains, see the houses, see the trees. Wow, there was a rock that we saw. Like the rock was just, oh my god, it was mind-blowing, guys.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is when you're up in the city. They don't see. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey. truck to the plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around, find one to see my. Tell my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat.
Looked in the mirror and not seen yourself, like you got lost somewhere along the way. Or maybe you just need some help getting back, but that's not something they tell you these days. I never wanted to be that girl, but I'm stuck on this rural street, and my smile won't come but my hair still curls. And I guess that's how they recognize me. I'm not actually here anymore. I've forgotten what I came here for. You with the bright eyes, I envy you.
Okay guys, so we actually finished what brought us to the place. As we finished, we actually had a nice pictures which I'll be sharing at the end of this video. Okay, so that's it all. After that I went home. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your family and friends, okay, because this channel is actually getting juicy. Okay, support your baby girl.